Video on how to set up the PIM Pro and pull and save test results. So when I first turn on the PIM Pro, I want to go to PIM versus time, and we want to set up our report menu. So we'll go to report menu, site info, and here we will put AT&T or whoever it's for, whether it be AT&T or Verizon or USC. Enter. We'll put our site name, and we'll do this as downtown and then technician, do my initials. Okay, so now we have our basic report set up here. So we'll go back, then we'll set up our PIM versus time. So right now we're only set 10 seconds. If we want to change that, we can just click down here at the PIM versus time. We can change our time. We'll leave it at 10 seconds for now. Okay. On the left side, we want to change it from DBC to DBM. So we'll just click on that. We will change it to DBC. And now we can change our limits. AT&T's limit is -130. So we'll delete that out. -130 DBC, okay, and okay. So now that we got our graph set up, we'll do our first test, and I'm just running it with a PIM load on there. Now that that's run, we'll do record plot. The first time we save a measurement, the sector feeder info will pop up. So we'll do sector as beta. Feeder will be line 1, so we'll do 1.1, blue, gray. Okay. We will do BTS tuning system, which would be the node 2 antenna system or the RH 2 antenna system, and we'll do comments as our pre, do enter, and that is it for that test. So now we can go back to our report menu, and we can see this first test we just saved as frequency 700 megahertz, beta sector 1.1, blue gray. Here's our results. That is it for saving it. So next time, if we want to save another measurement, we want to change our sector feeder, we'll let this run for 10 seconds. And let's say this is line 2 now, so once this is done, we'll save it as line 2. We'll go record plot. We'll go new sector feeder. We'll change it from 1.1 blue gray to 1.2 blue gray. Gray. Enter. Okay. BTS antenna system. Do pre. Okay. Okay. So once we're all done with that, if we're completely done with all our test results, we want to make sure we save it to the unit and to a flash drive before we turn this off. Once we turn this off, these are kind of lost. It should automatically save, but we want to make sure we save it to a flash drive and to the unit first. So we'll go to report menu. We'll go save report. Now it'll pop up local memory, AT&T downtown. Select OK. So it's going to create a PDF for us. And that's done. Grab my USB drive. Put my USB drive in there. I want to go save report again and select USB and select OK. Now it's going to save it to my USB. And to verify this, I can go back, exit, manage reports, select my USB, and there's our folder. Now I'll still pull this off of the unit, go put it on my flash drive on the computer, and make sure it's actually on my flash drive before I turn this test unit off. So like I said, it should save it if you turn it off, but we've had issues in the past where it won't save it. So it's a quick little tutorial on how to set up the PIM Pro and save measurements and save our final PIM report.